let's straighten my lion's mane. Y'all know that I love real-time reviews, so I'm going to be going right through, and I'm not doing any cuts. That's one pass over the first piece of hair. I started using Taming's products just over a year ago, and honestly, I love all the products in the range, but if I had to choose my favorite, it's either going to be this one or the Ionic Plus. I can't pick, but they both help me straighten my hair so quick and easy. I obviously naturally have curly hair. We've been over this a bunch of times, but I'm convinced that we all want what we don't have, right? So I have curly hair, so I always straighten my hair, okay? And I feel like the opposite as well. If you have straight hair, you want curly hair. So this just makes it really easy for me. And I've got everyone in my life using these. My mom, she has, I think, like 3 different Taming products now. She loves the ring. She actually has 2 of the rings. And then she has the Rovi, which is kind of like a beach wave type of flat iron by Taming as well. So, in any case. Like on this, I really only have to do 1 pass, but I will normally do just a second one just to, you know, make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, now we're gonna go over to this side of Hagrid's hair. I'm actually gonna wrap this up around that. Little brush. And then we go right back in. Depending when you see this video, these may be on sale. If you're seeing this around the holidays. Taming's been doing some really awesome sales. This would make a great gift. Like I said, I've got everybody in my life using this. Alright. Get this piece right here. And then we just gotta move on to the top piece of my hair. Is that the crown? Do you call it the crown of the hair? Right? I mentioned it before too. Obviously, I have curly hair, and what I really like about this product and also a couple other of Taming's, they don't feel hot to the touch, so I can really get close to the root of my hair because I feel like that's where the curl lives. Yeah, at least for my hair, like, it's wavy right out of the roots, if that makes any sense. If you have curly hair, you know what I'm talking about. All right. Last little section of hair is just, now you can see what I mean. You see how the curls are coming like right out of the root? Also, yeah, I know, I need to get my roots touched up. I have an appointment. I'm getting my hair done before Christmas. I texted my hairdresser a couple of weeks ago, and I was like, I don't know why, but this time around, this go around, my hair is like, it's growing so quickly. And she's like, I know, I saw that on your story. And I thought she would have taken me in sooner, but it was a little bit too early. So yeah, my hair will be looking fabulous for Christmas. See how it takes the curl right out of the root? I mean, but the root color is not cute. But again, we're gonna fix that. So really, I only go over everything with, you know, 2 passes. All right, now I gotta go to here, this little piece right here. As you can see, I have a lot of hair. My hair is very long, and this is going very quickly, which is why I love this product so much. And I really only post about products on here that I really do love and that I use every day. So, I might do one more right here because that was a big piece to do. Alright, so that is that. That is all of my hair straightened. And I don't even think that this needs like any touch-ups. I think it looks perfect for me. So, if you guys are interested in the Taming ring, I'll be sure to link it right here down below in the TikTok shop. It's a little orange shopping cart. And like I said before, it might even be on sale. But yeah, real time, honest review. I love it. and I recommend it. So I will talk to you guys later, and I hope you're having a great night. Bye.